Welcome to this video. This video aims to make animation of a text along a path for a certain video. You can use it for any mobile phone video you have recorded or a professional video that you want to add this text animation. So first, what do we need? We need the following. Of course, this software, you can apply it in Windows, Mac and Linux. And I will do it in Windows this time. So first we need to download VLC. The next one is Inkscape for drawing the path. The third one is for recording the screen. You can use OBS Studio or other free and open source software. I have chosen VocoScreen. And we have to download this video. You can choose whichever video, but I chose this video. This video is, we have a truck and there is smoke and there is the river with the birds, and we will do a animation of the text around the arc. So this will be the resulting one. We can tweak it however we want using our own path. And last but not least, for ones that do video editing and they want to utilize the full power of this feature that we will discuss today, they can download Shotcut and use Shotcut. And also you can use also another open source software, which is Kdenlive. So both of them are okay and they can utilize also this feature. If you notice here, this is the bridge that we have installed. These two files I will give you, these are the two files that we will consider for this project. And Shotcut, what I did is when you download it for portable, it will be a zip file. You have to extract it and you'll get it here, and the Shotcut, you will use shotcut.exe in order to open it, just to give you an idea about it. So first what we will have to do is we will double click this one, or we open it in VLC, but as I am having VLC as the default, I double click it. So this is our video. Let us pause it in any place. And we will take two information from this video. The first one is we go to Tools, Codec Information. We will see here video resolution is 1920 by 1080. If you are maybe on your mobile phone, maybe it will be 600 by 400. So you use the dimension that is given here, width 1920 and the height is 1080. The next thing we will do is we will need to take a snapshot of this one so that we can draw our path. So what we do in VLC, we come to video here and you take the snapshot. So the snapshot will be saved in the pictures folder. So we have now the information for the video, and we have the drawing in order that we will draw our curve on it. Let us open Inkscape. We directly go to File, Document Properties. We put the display unit as pixels, the units as pixels, the width is 1920 and 1080. Enter, and I close. Let me zoom out, view, zoom out, move it a little bit. And now if I want to draw a path, I have two methods. I can either use the freehand tools, which is I press, I keep pressing, and I will go like this. If I want to increase the smoothing, I will make it like, let's say I will make it here 30. So now if I go like this, it will smoothen the curve. So this one is very nice, but sometimes it's not accurate. And the one that we will use is the Bezier curve. For the other thing is the Bezier curve, which is B. What you click, click, click. If you want a curve from here to another, you put a click and drag. You will get the curve. And then you right click, you finish it. And then you later on, if you want to continue, you continue like this, etc. If you want a curve, you click and drag, and you can create your curve. So also that's the Bezier curve. Let us start drawing the path. So first we have to import the image. This is the image. If our calculations was right, this image will fit directly into our document. Okay, we got it. Let us do the Bezier curve. Click, I click on top here and drag. I got it like this, and then I will continue here. I click and drag. Got it. I right click, finish this one, and then I will put here click. I will click and right click, finished. So what will happen is I will remove this image. So this is our path. All we have to do is we have to export it. So file, save as. We save it as Inkscape SVG, no problem. In the downloads, I will save it. So this SVG file is, in fact, it's a text file. Although it is an image, but it is also a text file because it's based on mathematical calculation. Let us open it. We go to downloads, drawing.svg, open with Notepad. And if you notice, this is an SVG file. So what we will have to do is, so what will happen is this SVG file, I remove it. I remove it till the text font here. I will delete. And I will take this SVG here until the G here. I will leave this SVG. I will copy it and I will paste it here. The one thing that we will do is the following after exporting. First, the style of the SVG is fill is none, stroke is black. So the stroke should be none, so that the path will not be shown. And next here, the ID of the path here of the SVG is, it should be the same as the one that we have now here, which is fill. So I'll put it as fill. Let me save it. And we'll go here and I will double click. So if you notice, it is different than the other one that I showed you before, because the path has a little bit changed. It is hitting here on top, it's not hitting on the other. So now we need to record the screen. What we'll use is, we will use Voco Screen. Voco Screen we will use, it will give us, there's two options, an area and full screen. An area, if you have a small video on your browser, it will be a small video, you can use this one. But if there is a full screen, you need to use this one full screen. Another thing, you can put a countdown, let's say 9 seconds, in order to prepare yourself for the for the recording. And there is also the timer if you want to stop recording, let's say at 20 seconds. So it depends on your duration of your video. If your video, you know, it is 20 seconds, you put 20 seconds. So you know after 20 seconds it will stop. And I will start now. So I will start after 7 seconds. I'll press F11 for full screen, and I will press Ctrl R for refreshing. So it is now recording. After 20 seconds, it will stop the recording of the video, and you'll have a section of the video with the animation of the text animation. If we look at the folder, the Voco screen, and this is our video that we wanted. For video editors, what we will do is you'll take the same file with the SVG that we did. We will remove the video, and it will have background of black here. The background color is black, and down here we'll put as fill for the font as white, FFFF, and we save it. And we will refresh here. So you'll have a black and white screen, and you will put it in the video editor and use chroma key black. I will get this font. So we'll do it in Shotcut very quickly. So I've added the two files here. I will put this one down. I'll put the other one which I recorded. I'll put it up. And now if you run it, it will be closed. What we will do is we will make a filter, and we'll make a chroma key. Simple. Pick the black. And now what we'll have is we'll have it as white. If you want to change it also, what you'll do is we change color. It's very simple also. You put here also another filter, color grading. You can pick the color that you want, and you can also make a timer to change the color. You can make it blue. So we got our animation. Thank you.